Hello everyone, Anand back again. There is something called let go. All of us know this word let go, but do we really letting go of many things that we face in real time situations? All of us need to maintain uh, good condition in our mind, good condition in the heart, and good condition overall in the environment, especially during these COVID days. Lot of disturbances that we encounter. We encounter in the form of news, form of wrong news mostly, and through television channels, through social media, and through WhatsApp communication. The moment you get up, let's say for example, you open up your WhatsApp and you find some message, and it says that some alarming update about COVID, for example. That first 1 hour or half an hour you are off completely, you will be disturbed, and if you really seriously look into it, and then imagine how the day started with negative news or wrong news or fearful news. Another important aspect of this issue, the condition issue, is about all of us know from time immemorial, the gossiping. People gossip. If you look at the social channels, one person posts something and then the chain of posts, lot of gossiping, lot of soul killing comments. Not only that, even when people make a phone call and speak about others, about some issues, they go on talking a lot of things, which sometimes hurts you, and it hurts the other person and the environment, and it goes on. The gossiping is one of the killer disease, I would say, which kills our mind, our calm mind, which kills our peace, which kills every aspect of our life. So how do we protect ourselves? We have to protect ourselves from all this unwanted stuff. You get up in the morning, you do your work, and you handle your the life situations, office, home, whatever, and then you get back, eat, sleep, life goes on without venturing outside often, without mask, things like that. If you just maintain the basic hygiene of life, of getting up, doing our routines, fulfilling the responsibilities whatever has been given to us, created by us, and then get to sleep, that itself is something fantabulous. But are we doing it? I mean, each one of us have to really ask this introspective question. So how much we divulge, how much we indulge into multiple aspects of life, which includes the news watching, sharing, commenting, gossiping, so many aspects. End of the day, we lose our peace, we lose our condition, and we hit the bed at night with a lot of turbulence. Again, 8 hours we have to sleep with all this pressure and stress added up and go to bed. Imagine the kind of sleep that we are going to have. So the best way to handle all this is, as all of us know, but maybe many of us don't practice, is let go. So you have to let go of everything. Whatever comes to me, put a firewall, and just filter it out, and don't even take it inside your heart or inside your mind, and do not ruminate on that. Don't brood over on that. Let go. Let it come, let it go. We can't stop coming into us because it comes through different sources, but we can actually don't have to process it. Anything can come to us, but we don't actually accept it. We don't have to approve it. We don't have to process it. And if you don't accept, approve, and process, and we don't comment it, we don't uh, cascade it, and we stop it at that level. To that extent, I think we let go of many things, which yields better quality of our condition in our heart, in our mind, in our families. And I think this would be able to support us to pass through this, I would say, crisis situation of COVID outside, to protect ourselves and our family members. I'm sure you agree with my viewpoints. If you like it, kindly share it with everyone around you. Take good care. Thank you so much.